Hi, this is Balachandra Pichai from Helios Event. I'm an event manager by passion and profession. So, are you someone who was like a business owner, and are you stuck with whatever your turnover? It is not growing to the expected level. I think it's high time. It's very high time that you review three aspects of your marketing. First and foremost, as a business owner, as an entrepreneur, are you really investing your time in marketing? Just review that. How much time are you really spending per day, per week, per month on planning your marketing strategies? I'm sure most of the business owners like us, uh, you know, we spend a lot of time in operations. We spend a lot of time in sales proposals and managing business rather than marketing our business, right? So it's high time you start looking at how much time in a day, in a week, or in a month you're spending on marketing, reaching out to the more customers. So in case you're working for 8 hours, are you really spending 2 to 3 hours every day? So look at that. So time is one important aspect. Second aspect of marketing is, are you engaging with your customers on marketing front? Most of us, we call the customer only for two reasons. One, do we have more business, or we will ask for payments, right? It's very rarely we really engage with our customers on marketing front, marketing about our business. I'm not talking about selling. I'm not talking about selling new products. I'm talking about really engaging with the customers on marketing front. When I say marketing front, what do you mean by that? Like, for example, giving knowledge to the customer about your product, giving new technological innovations which is happening in your industry, or generally engaging with the customers, calling them for a customer loyalty program, or some kind of an activity where you engage with your customers, give some kind of an experience about your business, about the industry, or generally just engage with the customers. Are you spending time with them on various festivals or various occasions, like World Environment Day? Are you really connecting with the customers on World Environment Day and giving them something which is valuable to both of you? So are you really planning to engage with your customers from the marketing angle? Most of us, we avoid that. So that's one important aspect we can look at. Second aspect we can look at. Third, in today's world, the third aspect is being digital. Are you digital? Have you started marketing digitally? Have you started investing your time and money and in getting your product or your service visible in the digital world? Have you set your digital footprint? When I say digital, it does not just mean going to one website guy and giving him some money for doing a website and SEO. No, it is not. Digital is a 360-degree game. You need to be active on a day-to-day basis. Be it be Facebook, be Instagram, TikTok, LinkedIn, depending upon where your customers are, where your influencers are, you have to be digitally present. In case you're not, you are going to be dying. Another 3-4 years down the line, the market will be, the war will be fought on digital, marketplace rather than in physical marketplace. The person who is more visible will get more orders as well as more credibility, rather than you'll be buried in the marketplace if you're not digital savvy. So these are the three aspects. Just to summarize back, one, you need to invest your time on planning marketing strategies every day, 2 to 3 hours. If you are able to invest, that would be great. Second, plan constant engagement with the customers on different occasions, not just sales. It's just not don't talk about just sales. Talk about various engagement platforms. In your business, you really need to look at how do we engage. So that is second aspect of it. And third, very crucial, you need to be in the game. If you need to be in the game, you need to be digital savvy. You need to be present digitally. So digital marketing in your business there's no way you can avoid not being there. And you need to be consciously working towards making your digital footprint. Yeah. Thank you very much. Keep following me on Instagram or on Facebook. I'll be able to give you more insights on marketing. Thank you very much. This is Balachandra Pichai from Helios Event. I'm an event manager by passion and profession. Thank you much.